Let's take this a little more practically, okay?
Yeah.
All right, I've had a little bit of a kidney problem.
You have, I know. I was about to say.
Well, all right, what would I do about that?
It's very simple. You see, you put your hands like this.
Both?
Towards me now. You see, your kidney problem comes from the center called Swadhisthana. Now you'll feel a little bit here. If you see, even you can see, virtually, see, this looks healthy. This doesn't look that healthy. Don't you see so? And
what am I looking for?
You see, you're looking for, you feel a little, see this swelling, and you feel a little heat there. Do you feel a little heat when you are getting the cool breeze?
Yes.
So that's the heat, that's suggestive.
Heat is there.
Now this also is suggestive. Even this kidney is not alright, but this center deals with the kidney and other organs like liver. It deals with your pancreas, with your spleen, and part of your intestines, uterus also. So you see, you must know how to make them out.